Hello, this is Atif and I am going to show you in this tutorial how to install Active Directory using Server 2008. This is a part of my project. We'll go start here and search around, see kind of what we got here, and we'll start typing DC promo. Oh, I typed it wrong. Come back, type it DC promo to install Active Directory, and it will check the Active Directory domain services binary if they are installed on your server 2008 R2 or not. It will take a while. Active Directory is used basically in small and medium to enterprise businesses, and it is very good to learn about them. And here we go, Active Directory domain service binary are being installed. It's basically installing the services, and in the completion of the Active Directory domain service installation wizard will ask about the DNS setting, how we want to set up the DNS, and we'll find out. Let's wait. And before we do that, we wanna go ahead and make sure you have set up the complete network setting that you wanna provide it. In my case, I have given it 10.10.15 and .2 IP address, including the default gate and the subnet mask, because once you install the Active Directory, that would make it a bit tough for you to make settings into the DHCP settings. So you want to make sure you get the network setting done before you install the Active Directory services on server 2008 R2, or either if you are using one of those. First we'll do the one, it's bring up pop up that screen for you, Active Directory domain service installation wizard. We'll go click next, read those if you want to make sure these are good knowledge what are the requirements. We are going to select here, create a new domain in a new forest, click next, and here we are going to give a name for the domain that we want to use. In my case, I will go ahead and give it a name w2k.truckstop.com, and that is basically DNS name of my Active Directory. Checking the name if it exists in forest, which is does not, it will verify. Here is the screen that will ask you if you want to what function level wanna use. In my case, I'm using Windows Server 2008 R2, and which I selected, and next. Now it is asking me if I want to select the DNSA. If you don't want, just uncheck it, but if it is necessary for you to have DNS settings, so go ahead, click next. And this is the password for my Active Directory. Provide a password that you will remember in case if disaster happen and you need to log in. And this is the configuration here it's showing. Just go ahead, click next, and it will probably take 5 to 10 minutes depending on your computer performance, and will install Active Directory for you. There are a couple also roles that Active Directory will install: installing group policy management console. It is very important role in the Active Directory actually, and implementing different kind of policy as your business need on the workstations which are used by employees. And I will go ahead and forward it. It will take a while to get back there. Once it's done, it will ask you if setup has finished. You want to restart, it is mandatory, you have to restart your computer. Once you restart your computer, I am doing actually that video in my VMware, and it will load Windows for you. Applying computer settings, it is actually applying all the roles and setting up your computer to ready to be used in Active Directory. You will have to type the administrator password to log into the Active Directory. It will load the settings there for you, and once you log into that, go make sure you have everything looks good, and I will go to start to make sure that Active Directory services are installed. Yes, there we go, there it is. So this completes this tutorial for installing Active Directory on Server 2008. If you need to check, you need to make sure you go to Start, go to Administrative Tool, and make it that. Thank you very much for watching my video.